Hello everyone, and welcome back for another video. Happy Saturday if it's Saturday for you, and if it's not, I still hope you're having a great day and or not. No, that's not what I want. I hope you're having a great day or night is what I was trying to say. Don't take that other part personally. I was laughing and not thinking straight. But anyways, if you are new here, my name is Courtney, and my twin sister Ashley and I share this YouTube channel together. I upload on Saturdays in the morning. She uploads Thursdays in the evening. If you couldn't tell, today's motivation for everyone or entertainment is decluttering and organizing, as well as our normal everyday cleaning, but a little bit more than normal, if you know what I mean, like scrubbing down the sink. I don't scrub it with that cleaner every day. But anyways, so we're going to start off in the kitchen, do our normal cleaning, plus declutter underneath that cabinet, organize some cupboards, and restock my exposed pantry and refrigerator, and move on to the living room area / family room, whatever you prefer to call it. We're going to go in there again, do the normal everyday cleaning, but I'm going to declutter and organize and donate like some stuff inside the dresser that I have in there. It's full of some toys, learning stuff, coloring, and 2 junk drawers type of things going on. So after that is when I'm going to move to my the entry area where you enter through the house. I'm going to declutter that area, organize it back up, move coats and sweaters out of there that don't need to be there, as well as shoes, get rid of some shoes that have seen better days. And so if you're in need of some decluttering, organizing, restocking, or cleaning, then this is definitely the video for you. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Share it around as well, and make sure you subscribe so you don't miss our uploads. So anyways, I will pop in and out when needed. Let's get into cleaning up this kitchen so we can get into decluttering some stuff, because it was much needed.
Oh my God, what an injustice. You just check your watch and my love wasn't enough, yeah. Oh my God, what an injustice. You don't even know someone love you this much, yeah. Oh my, oh my, oh my, someone love you this much, yeah. Oh my, oh my, oh my, said my love wasn't enough, yeah. I just probably dodged someone who wasn't enough, yeah. Oh my God, what an injustice. Don't even deserve someone love you this much, yeah. Oh my, oh my, oh my, someone love you this much, yeah. Oh my, oh my, oh my, said my love wasn't enough, yeah. Said my love wasn't enough, yeah. How come you're an angel but you're throwing out a dove, yeah.
you guys, so I figured right now would be a good time to introduce myself. So again, for anybody new here, my name is Courtney, and my twin sister Ashley and I share this YouTube channel together. I am 31 years old, and I'm a stay-at-home mom of two beautiful daughters. I have an 11-year-old and a 4-year-old. I have been with my significant other, Matt, for 13 years. I have a dog. Her name is Astra. She's 8 years old, and you see her a lot in my videos. She literally is like my shadow. She does not leave me alone. But you'll see her. She's American Pit Bull Terrier, and we have lived in this house for 2 years, which is crazy because that flew by so fast, you guys. I know I say that every time, but it really did. What else? Let me know. Actually, it's a question for you guys. Let me know if it has started snowing where you live, if it's been really cold, or if it's just warm where you live, or humid, or colder than usual, or warmer than usual. Let me know down in the comments. Where we live, we got a little bit of snow, but it wasn't much, about 4 inches, and 2 days later it starts raining and it got warmer, so it ended up melting. So in the Northeast, this is what happens. We usually get this weird funky weather where it feels like springtime, then like fall time, and then winter, and then back to doing that again. And then finally, probably like January, we usually get hit with like some pretty good storms. We haven't had a really good storm in many, many years. But anyways, yeah, let me know how your weather has been. It's been pretty cold though, I have to say, these past couple of weeks, with a few warm days, but it's mostly been freezing, especially at night. But anyways, I'm going in on the sink with some Ajax and some Dawn dish soap, scrubbing that bad boy down, make sure it's getting nice and disinfected, because you all seen the food that was left in that sink. So I want to make sure it gets all nice and clean. Once I am all done cleaning down the sink, we're going to put a tab in the dishwasher, and we're going to move on to the exposed pantry area so we can get that all stocked up again, and then that's when we'll move on to the refrigerator. Oh, and seeing how I can't remember if I said everything I needed to about myself, if there's any questions, please feel free to leave them down in the comment box. Well, not box, comment section. That is totally fine, and we'll get back to you guys. All right, so let's get back into cleaning up.
Down my cards, ready to play, yeah. It's all a game. Who's gonna pay up? Much at stake. What would you give up to change your fate? Luck isn't made fake. Love face down, but you're not down for me. Downplay when I said that I'm wanting more. What's it for? Keep score, but you keep me guessing. But I guess that you keep it on the low. No. Are you ready for this? Come on, we could just go all in. Are you ready for this? Come on, we could just go all in. We could just go all in. We could just go all in. Loving you is a gamble. Loving you is a gamble. Oh, burning me like a candle. You could be such a handful. Oh, why you always loving? We could just shoot straight. You don't tell me nothing, but I'm still gon' wait. Yeah, loving you is a gamble. Loving you is a gamble. Oh. There's no way I'm not at face, and I'm lost without your embrace. There's no way I'm not at face. I've been feeling like lately we go through the motions. Maybe a game to you, baby. I got no control. Done no poker face when I show my emotions. Shame to lose it, cause I just couldn't hold them. Close enough, am I losing love? Are you ghosting on me cause I opened up? Cause I hope to hear you say something. Quit playing around and go all in. Are you ready for this? Come on, we could just go all in. Are you ready for this? Come on, we could just go all in. We could just go all in. We could just go all in. Loving you is a gamble. Loving you is a gamble. Oh, burning me like a candle. You could be such a handful. Oh, why you always love it? We could just shoot straight. You don't tell me nothing, but I'm still gon' wait. Yeah, loving
Alrighty, you guys. So I didn't have to clean it. It wasn't dirty. I just had to put things back where they belong. I'm nice and neat and organized. So it wasn't too crazy in there. But I'm also showing you guys what I made for dinner. I probably should have said that in the beginning. I'm doing a what's for dinner on this two-part series, 2-day thing. So you'll see me in one article of clothing, and then you'll see me in a different article of clothing, and that's 2 different days. So I couldn't have done this in one whole day. It's impossible. If you can do it in one day, then it's not impossible for you, but it's impossible for me. And kudos to you if you can. I wish I had your energy and strength, but I physically and mentally cannot do that in 2 days what I did. So anyways, so I'm underneath the kitchen cabinet, and I needed to get in here and clean it and reorganize it. It's been a very long time, and it was very, very overdue. I actually don't put it back the usual way that I have it. I put it in another way, and I absolutely love the way that I did it. I don't know why I didn't do it the first time this way, but that's the thing with organizing. You always have to try it out for a little while and see if it works, and if you have to redo it 5 times, then you have to redo it 5 times or more until it gets to the point to where it's working for you. So there's nothing wrong with reorganizing something that's organized if it's not organized the way you need it to be, if you know what I mean. Don't know if you were picking up what I was putting down there, but anyways, here's some rice. I put it putting it on for 20 minutes on low. I can't talk, you guys. I'm so sorry. That was some rice. I put 2 cups of water, 1 cup of rice. I waited for the water to boil, put the rice in. I put it down to simmer, a little low boil, and letting it go for 20 minutes, even though I let it go for longer than that. But I always set a timer to remind myself that I'm cooking something on the stove so I don't forget, if you know what I mean. So anyways, I'm doing that, and then I'm going to go in with some kielbasa, some peppers and onions that were already like frozen in a package thing. And when I opened up that package, you guys, it smelled so good. I couldn't believe it. It smelled amazing in there. I just wanted to literally, if I could get a candle that smelled like onions and peppers and stuff, I would definitely light that candle in my house all the time. Literally all the time. But anyways, like I said, I'm underneath this cabinet, reorganizing it, restocking some things. So this is a big, huge box of rags that I buy from Walmart. So when my rags start to get dingy and old, I, pick out from the box, and then later on in life, I have to go back to Walmart and grab these again. They're actually very inexpensive, and I love them. You get so many. I can't remember how many you get, but you get a crap ton for like $5. It's smaller than the ones that everybody else buys, a little bit smaller, but I like smaller rags. I'm not a bigger rag person. I don't like a bulky, huge rag in my hand. I feel like, I don't know, I feel like I'm not cleaning right when I have like a bulkier rag. The smaller one is the way to go for me. Let me know if you like bigger rags or smaller rags. I'm a smaller rag person, but cleaning out these bins. I actually got those bins last year from Family Dollar. They were $1 a piece. They kept going so fast. It took me so long to actually get my hands on these. I guess for a while there, I don't know if it was like TikTok or maybe just other people watching other cleaning channels where they use, dollar store, Dollar Tree type items for, $1 a piece. And everybody was grabbing them, but it took me a long time to get my hands on these, and I was happy that I finally did. So it makes organizing things so much easier for me. So this first one that you see me loading up right here is my quote-unquote everyday stuff that I grab for. And then the second one that you see me loading right here is more of when I need to use it bin. So it's like my spray for my plants, a second spray away glass cleaner, the cleaner that you put inside your dishwasher, that's like I think it's called JetBlue, maybe that's the airline, the clear stuff you put in your dishwasher to make your dishes shine. That stuff, like, I don't need that in my everyday bin. I need that in my once in a while bin, you know what I mean? So just explaining that really quickly. But I will give you an overview of how it all looks when I'm all done with it, because I do switch it from what it looks like here to another way. And then I show you the little tiny pile I have for donations that I did not want or did not like to use anymore in my household. So we'll be going back and forth between cleaning and cooking, but that is no problem. We can handle this. We got this. Let's do it.
got the fast cars, diamonds on the high-rise, always looking like a 10. Yeah, the first class always gotten everything they wanted. Turns out they're lonely just the same. So tell me why you wanna live that kind of life. You want your name in flashing lights. You wanna chase that shallow high. Oh, oh, oh. Tell me why you wanna sell yourself a lie. Cause in the end you'll realize it's gonna leave you cold and empty on the other side. On the other side. Perfect smile, posing for the camera, checking my body names. They got the cool brands, followers and fans, yeah, it seems that they got it made. But the slaves to the superficial, fake friends in politics, oh, deep down they wish they could escape. So tell me why you wanna live that kind of life. You want your name in flashing lights. You wanna chase that shallow high, oh, oh, oh. Tell me why you wanna sell yourself a lie. Cause in the end you'll realize it's gonna leave you cold and empty on the other side. On the other side, yeah. On the other side. On the other side. Oh. Honey's greener, sugar sweeter, till greed never leaves you satisfied. Tell me why you wanna live that kind of life. You want your name in flashing lights. You wanna chase that shallow high, oh, oh, oh. Tell me why you wanna sell yourself a lie. Cause in the end you'll realize it's gonna leave you cold and empty.
Alrighty, you guys, so I'm just showing you here the seasonings that I'm using to season my onions and peppers and stuff, but go in with whatever you want. Tonight is not tonight. This night was a quick dinner night. Don't know what to make. Forgot to take something out of like the freezer type of deal, and I just threw this together, and I didn't get to eat it, but I tried it, and I love the taste of it. I added a little more salt at the end, but I ended up going in with a yummy, delicious Caesar salad. So, but you can go, I could have went in on that, but I couldn't have had the rice. I could have had a little bit of the kielbasa and a little bit of the peppers and probably substituted it with, substitute the rice with my salad, but I just wanted the Caesar salad all by itself. I didn't feel like measuring and weighing it and all that other stuff with it, so I just went in with that. But anyways, here I am mixing in the rice, throwing this all together, and then you're going to see me go in with some, what is that called, mozzarella cheese. Go in with any cheese that you like. I feel like this is one of those, like I said, throw it together, had no idea what to make, and this is what you guys are getting. And 9 times out of 10, when I make a dinner like this, where I'm like, I forgot to take something out, I don't have anything planned, like, what am I going to make? This is like the type of dinners that Matt and my oldest love to eat, is my random dinners that I just toss together. But anyways, like I said, go in with any cheese you want, any seasonings you want, any meat you want. I mean, you can't really go wrong. It's rice and peppers and onions, so you can really add whatever protein type of thing you want to it, so it's not going to hurt. But yeah, here was dinner this night. Quick and easy. They loved it. I loved my salad. I'm not complaining. I absolutely can eat salads all day, every day. But anyways, once I am all set and done here, we're going to go right into day 2, where we're going into the living room and entry area. Like I said earlier, we're going to do the regular cleaning, but we're going to go in on the dresser and we're going to reorganize it, declutter some toys, and obviously donate them because I don't want them and there's nothing wrong with them, and somebody else's child would be more than happy to play with these toys just as much as my nieces and nephews and my own kids themselves. So nothing wrong with donating things that you no longer want. There's nothing wrong with decluttering, even though you might have spent your money on it. If it's a headache or nuisance or whatever it is to you, get rid of it, because there's always somebody out there that can use it or would love it just as much as you did or someone else in your household did. So I also want to throw out there that after this, when I was all done doing this whole entryway living room decluttering, I actually went in and did, oh, you guys are not going to believe this, 6 loads of laundry. That's how far behind I was on laundry. It was absolutely ridiculous. And not this day where I'm in the gray sweater and jeans, but the day before this where I just did the kitchen, I actually, after that, went into my oldest daughter's room, and I will not record her room. She doesn't want it on there, and I'm not going to record something or someone if they don't want to be. That's just wrong. I mean, if I told someone I didn't want something recorded or didn't want to be recorded and they did it anyways, I would be PO'd. So respect is always around, if you know what I mean. So I did go in her room. I reorganized her dresser, her closets, cleaned out her room. We decluttered some clothes, washed down. We did like a deep cleaning of her room because honestly, since the makeover I did a while ago over the summer was the last time I deep cleaned her room and actually like moved the furniture, washed the walls, washed the floors, baseboards, stuff like that. Like you usually see me do in other rooms that I actually just previously did my bedroom and stuff like that in. I did in my oldest daughter's room. So I did all that. So basically it was 3 days of literally reorganizing and decluttering my whole downstairs, because I also did my downstairs bathroom as well. So it was 3 days of that. So if you could do that all in one day, like I said, props to you. I could never do that. I would be down on the floor dead. I couldn't. Don't have the energy, time, momentum, none of that. So anyways, I went completely off track. I don't even remember what we were first talking about. But here we are finally into the whole decluttering and organizing, like I said 1,012 times in this video. So I will stop chit-chatting for now. I will come in and out when needed like I have been. Let's get into this, guys. Let's get it done. It felt so great to get it done, by the way.
with the stars in the eyes, 'cause your touch gets me high. You and me already know. Whoa, let your love leave me blind, mess me up, change my mind. You and me already know. We just keep on dancing with the stars in our eyes, with the stars in our eyes, with the stars in our eyes, with the stars in our eyes. I know that I can't trust your language unless you say it with your hands. 'Cause when you're here, you're so persuasive, so say it in the way I understand. We just keep on dancing with the stars in our eyes, 'cause your touch gets me high. You and me already know. Whoa, let your love leave me blind, mess me up, change my mind. You and me already know. We just keep on dancing with the stars in our eyes, with the stars in our eyes, with the stars in our eyes, with the stars in our eyes. Ooh, the way you move is prodigal. Ooh, you pull me in, don't let me go. Ooh, the way it hurts is magical, and I should go. We just keep on stars in the eyes, 'cause your touch gets me high. You and me already know. Whoa, let your love leave me blind, mess me up, change my mind. You and me already know. We just keep on dancing with the stars in our eyes, with the stars in our eyes, with the stars.
Alrighty, you guys, so once I am all done vacuuming this area, I do forget to turn the camera around and do the part where you see that little orange toy and the scooter, but later on in the video you'll see me vacuum and mop that area as well. So once we're all done vacuuming, we're gonna go straight to the entry area. You know, like I said, move some coats that don't need to be there, some shoes that may need to be tossed out and put away, and vacuuming and mopping as well. So let's get into finishing up this living room so we can get that entryway done and over with.
I need you to listen. Take me, take me somewhere. Na na na
Alrighty, so I'm showing you an overview of the dirt and stuff like that that's been built up because I honestly never move this thing and clean under or around it. My entry rug is disgusting and I need to get a new one, so you don't have to remind me. I know. I'm just trying to find the right ones to go indoors and make them look nice and the color not disappear so fast. So if you have any suggestions on what kind I should get for, my main door and my back door gets used a lot because of the dog going in and out and the kids going in and out. And then my front door is used whenever I feel like leaving and whenever Matt leaves for work in the morning and, my oldest. So it doesn't get as abused as my back door does. So if you have any suggestions, please let me know. I would really appreciate it on which area rugs I should get for the entryways of my house. So I do have area rugs for like the outside of my house. I just bought a brand new one for the front, but I'm not using it right now. I'm actually using last year's Christmas doormat. So that one's still basically brand new because I bought that one at the end of the season and got it for like a steal. Here, I was going to put the donation box outside on my porch or most likely bring it to my trunk so that way it was off my porch. But it was still downpouring rain, so I was like, all right, well, it looks like that's not going to happen. So I just put it back on the stairs, but I do leave it right here by the door so that way the next time either I go out or Matt goes outside and it's not raining, we can put it in the back of my car so we can donate these items for any boy or girl that would love these toys. I did get rid of 2 pairs of shoes. One was a pair of slippers that we've had for about 6 years and the soles are gone on them, and a pair of sandals from the summertime from my youngest that have been completely dogged. Like, they're bad. They don't even Velcro anymore or anything. So I just threw those away because no one needs broken shoes. So here I am, like I said earlier when I said I forgot to turn the camera around to record, cleaning this side of the room. Well, here it is, and we're going in with my O-Cedar mop and some hot water and pine sol to clean these floors up. I do go in on the kitchen floors as well because in the first section of this video, you didn't see me do that in the video. I was completely done and fried by the time I had dinner done and did all of that other stuff. So I figured I would still add it in this video just to give you a little bit of motivation to maybe if you have to get your floors clean to, clean them up. Because I know some people, it's just not their thing to wash their floors. They absolutely despise and hate it. It's one of those things where it's like, what's the point if it's just going to get dirty after that? So hopefully me washing my floors gives you that tiny bit of motivation to, get yours done. And also just putting out there, if you are not new here, you already know this, but I have the Bissell Crosswave. And what the Bissell Crosswave is a vacuum and a mop. It's an all-in-one little thing. It helps with maintaining and keeping your floors clean in between mopping, so you don't have to mop as often. So I know they're a little bit of an investment. I know it's not something you can just go and just buy. They're, hundreds of dollars. I did get lucky and purchased mine last December. It was on sale at Walmart for $174. It's the blue and white one. I don't even know if they sell that one anymore because I try to look, and the only one that I keep seeing at Walmart is the green and white, and I think it was like purple and black or something like that. But so I'm thinking maybe that's why mine was it 174 or 124? It was something like that. So I'm thinking that's why the one that I have was on sale. So just keep an eye out. Maybe sign up for some alerts from Bissell to see if they ever, throw out some coupons or anything like that to get it a little cheaper, because I know it is a bit of an investment. But anyways, once I am all done mopping up this kitchen floor, I will show you some after views of the living room. I did forget to give you an after view of the entryway, but it was all nice and tidy. As you can tell, I did do it. I just forgot to do the overview of it. But anyways, I will be cleaning off the staircase where you see me throw everything, like the shoes and the coats and stuff. You're going to see me clean off my staircase, so that way, everybody can go up it later when we all go to bed or to use the restroom or anything like that. So, and after that, it will be the end of the video. So I'm going to show you the overviews of the living room and then cleaning off my staircase.
If spring is the season that wakes me alive, and fall is the season to contemplate life, oh yeah. I don't know is it exactly in this time of year that makes the melancholy me reappear? Oh, back and forth through dark roast coffee, salt, mist, and sea, sand and amber trees. 'Cause it still feels like summer, but it's soaked in nostalgia slowly. All the leaves, they're turning brown. 'Cause it still feels like summer, and
Alrighty, you guys, so here's the aftermath of cleaning everything. Everything looks so good before, and then you see behind you when you turn around and have to put everything back where it belongs. So anyways, thank you guys for making it all the way through to the end. You're the real MVPs. I appreciate it from the bottom of my heart. You do not understand. This helps our channel grow. Just like liking, sharing, and subscribing. All is free, and it helps our channel get pushed out there for anybody else that enjoys this type of content and stuff like that. So again, thank you so much, you guys. I will catch you next Saturday, and make sure you keep an eye out for Ashley's upload on Thursday. Until next time, guys. Bye.